Hello guys, so I'm here today in Jenkintown. What a beautiful place. Look at this gorgeous house. Our customer was nice enough to let us put the sign in front of his house in this gorgeous neighborhood. Look at this neighborhood. Absolutely amazing, beautiful houses, all older home. Look at the stone housework in here. And now we have the chance to go and get some more business in here and put some more signs in here. We were able to help with the pricing on the windows, so he had some of the windows done. He wants to finish them out, and he was having a hard time finding a company that makes the high energy efficient window, very energy conscious people. And we were able to help them out, and I want to thank them for their business. And now we got signs in this beautiful neighborhood. Absolutely amazing, beautiful neighborhood. So can't wait till we see the after pictures and some more signs in this neighborhood. Have a great day.